Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel JTechHub, and today I want to show you on how you can use GPT for free. You know the normal GPT is not free, it's not more accessible, especially here in Nigeria. But I want to show you another place you can go to use GPT for free. In this GPT, you can use it to write scripts, you can use it to write application letter, you can make money from it. Though in my next video I might show you on how you can go about using it to write stories and creating some animation effects through those stories you've written, but not on ChatGPT, but that one will be another course, by the way. But I want to focus on how you can use ChatGPT for free. In my last video, I promised that I'm going to share how we can make some money on so many things, but I have not forgotten that video will be released this week. So now let's get it cracking. So I am on my system. The first thing we are going to do is we'll go to a website known as forefront.ai. As you can see, I'm typing it, forefront.ai. Yes. So I hope you can see the screen clearly. So now the first thing you are going to do is, it's not a free app. Hope is recording here. It's not a free app, but it has a free plan. So the first thing you are going to do is you click on sign up. I've already signed up in this account. So the best way to sign up is using your email. Okay, let me sign out first. Let me log out. I've already logged in before. So now this is the sign up account. So to sign up, the best, you just click on this Google stuff, and you can use your business Google, or you might have more than one Google account. So I have so many email address. So for all this type of stuff, for my business, I use either of these two. Okay, so click on, I use this one. Once I tap on it, automatically it logs in. So now you can use this for free. So if you want to maybe make research, you come here, you type what you want. Let's say what question should we ask? Okay, write an app. Okay, write a short fiction story. Okay, so GPT will, you write it, as you can see, it's already generating. So this is how to use ChatGPT for free. Another way whereby you will not just go somewhere else and start paying money, but this is just the best place you go to use ChatGPT for free. So I hope this video has been so interesting. Just know that I'm here to give you updates on some tech info or anything that relates to tech. So that's why we are known as JTechHub. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel, because there are so many things that are cooking that I'm going to show you, so many secrets nobody would dare show you. You understand? So I'm going to show you some opportunity niche and so many other things. But for now, subscribe to my channel, click the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on so that you get updates whenever I upload any important video on my channel. See you in the next class, or see you next time.